What's up, everybody? It's your boy nappie, and welcome to the YouTube channel. On today's episode, you are going to love it. On today's episode, you know I'm still talking about real estate developers and what they are developing in Ghana. This amazes me as the youth or young people, young adults in Ghana are trying to hit the industry, trying to make some impact on the environment. This is really beautiful. I have seen you guys have seen the first episode of the smart home. This is a regular attached to a smart home. It's a transformed home from a 1-bedroom house to a 2-bedroom home. This is really amazing. I can't wait to show you the inside of this beautiful home here. It looks so small, but the inside is so amazing. So as I said, it is a regular home plus a smart home. Come with me, let's go and see Mr. Joseph. And today, you guys are ready to see this beautiful transformation. So if you want to transform your home, please come along with MOOHUIS and they're going to do it for you. This was a 1-bedroom boys quarters and it has been transformed into a 2-bedroom smart home, regular home. I don't know how you guys know it, but just come with me. I'm doing too much talking. Let's go inside and see how it is. Ta-da! Yes, we have Mr. Joseph here once again, and I was doing my introduction and I was like, this is like a regular attached plus a smart home. Because how can you transform a regular home and you didn't bring everything down, but you made it a smart home? And it was a boys' quarters and it was 1 bedroom.
Yes.
How did this go about?
Well, just like every other small boys' quarters you find around the olden style of it, we decided to reshape it, remake it, rebuild it into a modern home. You don't have to take down everything. You can work with what you have and save cost on it, and you end up having something as beautiful as this.
Okay. All right. So how long did it take you guys to remodel this building?
Oh, it was just 3 months.
3 months?
Yes, just
wow, that's too short.
Yes.
Are you sure you guys did a good job?
Usually, I think we worked on with the clients on this time frame because this was a special project for the clients. He needed it done fast, so we worked with that time frame of 3 months. We promised him 3 months, we got it done in 3 months. Understand? So that's why you feel like it's a very short time, but you have to work with the clients.
Right. So it depends on what you want and the number of months you want it, like how quick you want it. Yes. So guys, this is a 2-bedroom house. It was initially, so we are talking about transformation today. It was initially a 1-bedroom regular home, like an old type of an old style of building, and it was changed into a 2050 type of building. So this is Mr. Joseph, and he's going to do justice. As you saw him in the other episode, we are here to show us a different style. Yes, so this is the living area. I don't know square meters, I don't really know that, but you can, if you know, you can help me with it.
Oh, this is just
a regular and normal size, yes. So if you're out there and you have a girlfriend, you want to start up life, this can be a place for you. Yes, this can be a place for you. Don't waste all your money on you know what I mean. So just come here and then get a cozy place like this first. So yes. So what do we have here?
So as you can see, this is the living room. We worked around here. Previously, this was already a living room space. So we tried to transform the way this place looked like. This place had that old designer TNG, CDs, all those old type of, but we changed everything. As you can see, we have the nice centerpiece here. We have window speakers in here, the air conditioning. Like we just transformed the whole home to make it cozy. So when you're in this space, you don't even think that this used to be a boys' quarters. Get it? It's a nice space. And it's not over the top too. You get it? You can have the luxury without it being overly expensive.
For me, this is luxury.
Yes. It's not for a young guy.
Yeah,
for
it's luxury.
You can have this and it's very comfortable. You have a very nice space.
Sure. Yeah, you have your dining area,
yes, a little
your living area, a big TV. and it comes with, okay, I can see Alexa here.
Yes.
Oh, Alexa, how are you doing today? Alexa is quiet.
She's quiet today.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is, you said this is a smart home plus a regular home. So I think we have Alexa here that makes me know it's a smart home. And let's look at the kitchen area, as always.
Kitchen. Yes, so like I said before, this space, they used to be a kitchen. The kitchen was on the other side of the home. So that's side of the home.
Okay.
So we had to work with this space, and this is what we came up with. Like you can see, we have the laundry in here.
Yeah.
Sink, we have the whole, oven set here. Like we just went, and like you can see that the style is really nice. The style of the cabinets and everything.
So nice.
But it's not here. We have our guys, we have our carpenters. They do all of this themselves. It looks very nice, very affordable.
That's all I want to hear. Yes.
And we also have our inbuilt speakers here.
Wow.
Have fun.
Wow. As always, you know, my house always try to entertain you anywhere, anyhow, so you don't get bored even if you're in the kitchen, because you know you always cook the same thing regularly, so you always don't get bored. You have your music playing whilst you cook. Yes. So this is also a beautiful space for a kitchen. It's a beautiful space for a kitchen. So it was transformed. It wasn't a room. It wasn't a kitchen.
It wasn't a kitchen
at all, and it was transformed into a kitchen.
Yes.
And has been made a kitchen for you and I to come and use it. Yes. Let me see the second bedroom, and then
follow me.
The bath, and then yes.
Yes. So this space here,
Right.
big space for the master bedroom.
So this is the master bedroom.
So we'll have a television unit right here, and built into the wall.
All right.
And just look at the wardrobe.
It's so nice. Like this is even bigger than what I have at home. And my space in our home is bigger than this, but the wardrobe is bigger than mine. This is really amazing. Like this was a bedroom.
This space was a bedroom.
Okay, so this was the one bedroom.
This was the one bedroom.
Right. Was there a bathroom?
There was no bathroom.
These people are magicians, guys.
Yes. This was a bedroom, no bathroom. You get it? So we had to work with the kitchen space that used to be here to create the bathroom and still have a bedroom.
Wow.
On the other side.
Wow. So they created a bedroom, a bathroom,
two bathrooms,
and a bedroom from a kitchen space that was initially here. How did you guys do that?
You know, funny enough, the old buildings, they used to have big spaces.
True.
You get it?
In the initial video we said about that.
Yes, they used to have big spaces. And I mean, now in the modern homes, modern kitchens, you don't need that kind of space. You just need functional spaces to work properly.
Yeah.
So we looked at that and we're like, look, we can make a lot of space out of this.
Yeah.
You get it? So we just worked with what we had.
Yeah.
And this is what we have.
Right. Do you live in a modern home, which is a smart home, or you live in a regular home like I live in? Put it in the comment section, let me know, and tell me how it feels to be in a smart home, and tell me how it feels to be in a regular home. But in the smart home, please tell me how it feels like to live in a smart home. Can I see the second bedroom?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back to the bathroom. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just use our bathroom.
Because of the kid. Apparently the client has a kid, so this is like a child's bedroom.
Wow.
You see, so that even worked very well with us because you know the child doesn't need so much
space. Yeah.
Get it. So we just work with this. How lovely.
A wardrobe, just like a bookstore, and then a wardrobe.
Another one here.
Wow. Wow.
Enough space for
yeah. So it can take it. Yeah. This is, guys, this is really amazing. Like, so this was the kitchen initially.
This was the kitchen,
which was transformed into a bedroom and two bathrooms. Wow. One bedroom house has been transformed into a two-bedroom house and then two bathrooms and a kitchen. Toilet and bath too. Yes. So this is the bath area. So there's an ultra-modern toilet seat here, which has all the geometric shapes on it, and a bathtub No, this is a bathroom, not a bathtub. So you stand and shower. I love the shower here. It has a kind of rain shower, which is amazing. You can twist and turn. And you have this one here. Also, some nice flow of water also. And the sink here is amazing. You know, we always have the sink separated from the stand. But this time around, everything is together, which I love so much, which is beautiful. The towel holder, the toilet paper holder, and you have a switch here, which you can enjoy whilst you have your bath. You can plug something there and then you have your bath. Yes. So, what else can you show me? And you tell me about the pricing. So, talking about expenses, you know, let's say I bought this 1-bedroom house. I told you to renovate for me, rebuild it for me. I want a 2-bedroom. First of all, what comes into mind? What do you think? How much do you think you have to pay?
Well, like I say, it always depends on the client's budgets. Now, you know, we have to be reasonable too. I mean,
Exactly.
yes. How much can you?
Oh wow, that's how you start.
Well, that's how we start.
How much can you pay?
How much can you pay? How much
Alright.
do you have budgeted
All right,
for your project?
that's a nice idea. I'll
Yes.
start using that.
Yes. So you talk to us how much you have.
All right.
So then we come to your taste. What do you want out of the house? What are the things you have? If your budget beats what you want, that's an easy go. But if it doesn't, then we negotiate on that.
All right.
Probably have to increase the price or probably have to reduce the things you actually want out of the space. So for instance, with this space, we spoke to the person who's come to use this space before we started the project. What are the things you want? Okay, I'm a married woman, I have my child. So I want a room for me and my child.
All right.
Okay, so we get that. What's your taste? Yeah, so from this project, okay, we spent roughly around, let's say, about 100, thereabout.
In dollars.
No,
In cities.
not dollars. This is cities.
Wow.
This is cities, this is not dollars.
So the smaller the house, the smaller the currency.
Yes. See, very cheap.
Yeah.
Like, if you look at about 100, they are very cheap.
Wow. Wow.
Get it? So
That's crazy.
we just, like I said,
It's unbelievable.
the structure in itself, we didn't touch it so much.
So that means everything in here was bought by the company.
Everything in here, yes, we bought everything. The finishing, we did the entire finishing.
Yes. This is so cheap.
Get it? So all we actually touched was we raised the few walls, created the spaces out of what we had, and did the finishing.
Wow.
You
Guys,
get it?
this is so,
It's cheap.
Like it's super cheap. Like no, it's affordable. You know, some people say cheap
Well,
is what? It's expensive. You know, it's affordable. Like this is around $19,000 to $20,000 for a renovation for 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom house and finished. Guys, this is really amazing. I'm not going to talk too much. Just go to the description box, look for the number, email them, call them, and they're going to develop your house for you. Just even they can start from scratch by digging the first soil for you to have your beautiful home, your comfortable home for yourself and your family. Waste no time. Please go into the description box, look on the screen. I have the numbers and the email there. Please call them, text them, email them. They respond you and then you think it's too fast for you. So guys, I don't think are we done?
Oh, this is the whole house. It's a small house.
You know, I love it. So please tell the owner that I want to buy from him. I want to be the watchman here. Yeah, so guys, this comes to the end of this episode. This is the transformation that has been done. Do you have the old videos of this?
Yes, I have
Yes.
the old
Okay, so I'll put it there too. Yes, so as you can see, this is the old part of the house and this is the new one. So guys, I'm going to see you on another episode. Please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. They also have a YouTube channel, which is the MOOISHUIS. Subscribe to their YouTube channel and please don't forget to watch more videos from this channel. I'm going to see you on the other side. Peace out.